In the last video, we saw how to change and work with the actor information panel properties to change the visual aspect of our characters. Okay, we have created a duplicated character from a system character. As you can see, I have a new one here. Okay, I'll show you why I have done this. In this video, we are going to talk about tags and categories. Okay, and the difference between them and how they intertwine. Now, let's start with the tags. Okay, I've selected my my duplicated character here, the guy we created in the library actors. I've selected the rest pose in the library motion clip, and this way I'm going to be able to change properties of this specific character. Remember, always the combination of these two selections is fundamental. Okay, so let's talk about the current tags and the system tags. They are two different lists. Okay. The way this is working is exactly the same as those materials list we saw when we accessed the protect range option here in the edit mode in the actor information panel. So here we have on the right the system tags list. These are all the system tags currently used by all the system characters that come with Anima. And as you can see here, they cannot be changed. We cannot delete them, we cannot change these labels. But we can, at the bottom, use this plus button by left-clicking and creating a new tag. So I left-click on it, and I will name this tag game. Okay? That's it. On the left, we have the current tags list. So these are the tags currently assigned to this character. Now, first of all, let's talk about the differences between the X button we see in the system tags on a tag, like for example the new one I've created, the game tag, okay, and those X buttons we have here in the current tags. They are exactly the same visually, but they do very different things. Now, let's talk about system tags. As you can see, a tag I've created, it's possible to be removed or deleted from Anima. Okay, this is what an X button here on a tag in the system tags does. On the other side, the current tags list have all the tags with each one an X button. And in this case, this is not a way of deleting these tags from the system, but to remove it from this list. Okay, so to have it not assigned to this character. Okay. Then, first of all, we know at the moment that to assign, for example, a tag from this list, system tags, to this current tags list, it's very simple. Just left click and drag. We saw this with the material protect range lists. Now, there is another way of doing this, is double clicking, left double clicking. So double click and this will be assigned. As you can see, the tag assigned disappears from the system tags. Okay, and this is very important because why is that? Well, let's select the woman I've created. You can create another one by duplicating it. Okay, so left click on this. It asks me to save the library changes. Yes. So this is okay. Stop the animation, and as you can see, this woman has no game tag assigned. In fact, the game tag is still in the system tags. Okay, so the appearance of these lists changes from character to character. Okay, so I will double click again on the game tag here and assign this tag to this character too. Then I go back, I open, I don't know, the day after, something like this. I select this character, okay, I save the changes, okay, stop the animation, and I decide, look, I don't want this tag assigned to this character anymore. So I remove it from the current tags list. But I also decided that I want to delete this tag. I'm not going to use it anymore in the whole project. So I will left click on this X button and Anima warns me. Be careful, because if this tag is assigned to other characters, you could cause issues. Okay, so we have to be very careful when deleting a tag. We have to be sure, because we will see that tags are very, very useful to create relations between motion clips and characters. Okay, so at the moment I will cancel this, and what I should do is to select the woman, save the changes, okay, remove from the current tags list the game tag, and then now I could delete it. Okay, I'm not going to do this, however. Okay, so let's save it. Left click on the save button, the top right, sorry, of the actor information panel. So let's talk about categories. But we know that tags are related to characters and categories are related to motion clips. Okay, so what I should do is to select the motion clip, let's say this running motion clip, okay, this running animation, left click on it, okay, I will stop the animation, and yes, we have no chances to change any of these properties. Why is that? Well, if you remember, to be able to change some of the properties of the properties of a character, we had to duplicate it. Okay, so the same thing goes for the motion clips. In this case, always system motion clips. Okay, so we right click on it and left click on duplicate. Okay, I already have done this. So here in my project section in the library motion clips, I have this animation here. As you can see with this icon, this is a custom motion clip. Okay, so left click on it to select it, and it seems that it doesn't work either. So what's the problem? Well, the problem is always in these cases that the combination between the selection in the library actors and the library motion clips is not working, is not the correct one. Sorry. And why is that? Because we are trying to change properties of a motion clip, but we are asking Anima to do that only for these characters selected here, and this doesn't make really much sense. Okay, so we have to expand the system section and select the global actor. And now we stop the animation. Yes, we have the access to categories and also tags. Now, someone could ask, but haven't you said to us that tags are not related to motion clips? Yes, but this is not entirely true. Okay, and I'm going to explain this to you. Now, first of all, let's talk about categories. How it works? This section is exactly the same how works the tags panel. Okay, so we have two different lists. On the right, we have the system categories. Okay, we cannot change, and on the left, we have the current categories assigned at the moment to the current motion clip. Okay, so this running motion clip belongs to the locomotion run category. So what this means is a category is a group, okay, with certain meaning. Okay, in this case, this is a group regarding all the running animations. If we expand in the library motion clip the system section, we see that we have 1, 2, 3 different animations. Okay, 1 for women and 2 for men. Now, what happens when we select and assign this category to, let's say, an element like the path, okay, what happens is that the path, when it's generating the characters, will choose between all the animations belonging to the locomotion run category. Okay, so this is very, very useful way. So the same way as we've done with the tags, we can add new categories, we can delete them, we can assign them, and so on. And so forth. Okay, but let's talk about why there are also tags here. Well, let's say that we assign this category locomotion run to a path. Okay, so each character generated would use one of those motion clips. Let's say I want to filter, to create relations between some of these motion clips, like this one, for example, and some of the characters. What I mean, some of the characters? Well, let's see here in the text panel for the motion clip, which tags we have. And the game tag appears. So we have the same system tags we had for the characters. Okay? So what I do is just to left click and drag and assign this game motion clip, tag. So what this does is the following. When this motion clip is used, it is only used for those characters which have this game tag assigned. Now, let's go and see the actors we have created. I select the guy. I will save the changes for the motion clip. Yes. Okay. And to see exactly which tags are assigned to this character, I have to change the selection in the motion clip library. Okay, so I left click the rest pose, and as you can see here, this character has no game tag. So I will double click on it and assign it to this character, but not, save the changes, of course, but not to this character. So let's go again to work with motion clip. Okay, so let's select the global actor and the custom motion clip we have created. I'll stop here. So when those two characters are assigned to a path to which I have assigned this locomotion run category, when they have to run, the path will have to choose between all the motion clips belonging to this locomotion run. And in this category, there is also this motion clip. But this motion clip, if chosen, will be really assigned only to those characters with the game tag assigned. In this case, only the guy. Okay? So actually tags are related to characters, okay? Are used in motion clips not to define the motion clips, but to define to which characters they have to be applied. Okay? So this is very important. And the most important thing when you are working within the editing mode, I will always repeat it, is the combination of selections between the library actors and the library motion clip. To work with a duplicated motion clip, we need in the library motion clips to have selected the duplicated motion clip we have created, and in the library actor, in the system section, we have to select the global actor. Okay? So with this video, we stop here. See you in the next one.